My name is Ian, and this is a plant called Erythrina bidwillii. I've grown this for 5 years now, I believe, and every year I'm rewarded with these beautiful scarlet flower clusters. And the reason I recommend this plant is that every year it performs very, very well. Now, I give it a winter protection. I keep it at 45, maybe 50 degrees in the winter in my cold greenhouse, and it thrives on it. Some of the benefits of this plant are very exotic, healthy leaves, no discoloration, no marks. I've had no bugs or fungus attack this plant, but it's these flowers that really are the holy grail of the Erythrina. I've picked this stem to show you the architecture of the flowers. So this one is quite short and stumpy, but typically they're like this. They start and they just get further and further apart, and all of these here would get spaced out. I've had 2 feet long flower spikes dripping with this beautiful scarlet red flowers. I've not found this architecture on any other plant. I'm sure they're out there, but to be able to overwinter this in Connecticut, keep it on frost free, and have it flower from, gosh, this starts in late May all the way through now, we're in October, is very rewarding. So Erythrina bidwillii, it is a bit of a mouthful, don't let that put you off. It is absolutely standout. Bye for now.